Hello everyone. Today is a big day for Pakistan. Today is OIC happening finally in Pakistan, and it is a wonderful achievement for all the Pakistanis. The way Pakistan shown to the world that the peaceful and security made in Islamabad, the way people are working, and the way everything is fine here in Islamabad, and this day was made as a local holiday, actually from Friday till Monday, a local holiday for Islamabad, for giving positivity and a peaceful and a secure message to all the OIC members, and not only it but to the rest of the world, and how Pakistan is peaceful and secure. And we the for our foreign minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi is working very hard with our defense minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed, and this is a very wonderful way, the way Pakistan army have made this secure of all our this Islamabad for making OIC happen in foreign office very peacefully. So we pray to Allah that this turn out to be a positive day, and positive conferences happen all around the globe. And the Prime Minister Imran Khan is working very hard for the betterment of peaceful Pakistan. Basically this OIC was made for Afghanistani people, that Pakistan is for Afghanistan and OIC for Afghanistan. And Afghanistan, the way after the crisis has happened in Pakistan after 15 August 2021, when American troops are gone from Afghanistan, and the economy of Afghanistan was demolished, to help the Afghani people, to help this our neighbors, to help this region and this part of the world. It is essential that Pakistan will help them. Under OIC, the meetings are going on. All peoples are here to help and facilitate these our Afghani people through education, through food, through currency, through all the, even the security. Everything will be there, so that there will be no harm or no harm on any kind of terrorism attacks, or any kind of acts will be happened soon after this, because poverty is the basic and the only source which births negativity, evil acts, and we have to defeat it with the help of OIC. And by this Islamic cooperation, these countries are together to help and to unite the world, and also encourage America and China and all big Russia, big powers, UK to France to facilitate these Afghani people by giving them aid or help and also education, so that so common Afghani people will freely educate, work, and will do a better job for the nation, and for not only for their nation Afghanistan, but for the globally. It will be a peaceful, so that Afghanistani people will move everywhere around the globe with positive, and their image will be positive, like Pakistani image are positive around the globe. And by making by this OIC happened in Pakistan in 2021 is a message that Pakistan is a peaceful and a pure and a positive nation, and we have to prove this by our positive gesture, the way that tourism, and by the way that this hospitality given by the Pakistani people, by big guns of the Pakistan, and by the peaceful security people. It is a big message. And from Islamabad, I just want to say that we welcome you all OIC members in Pakistan, and we wish that you come again, and these kind of conferences, these kind of happen frequently in Pakistan, because it is very essential for Pakistan to show what is Pakistan and how Pakistan is a peaceful nation for all the globe. And United Nations must also see and watch what is happening by in OIC, in this organization, Islamic movement, by conferences. that way how Pakistanis are treating their Islamic countries, and it is every person you can see the Imran Khan, how our PM Imran Khan is giving interviews to the Al Jazeera host last night. We have seen his interview, and it was a very brilliant and very approachable, that how Pakistan is going move forward, and how Pakistan is going towards innovation, towards education, towards the climate change, and towards a Naya Pakistan trend, which is actually a progressive Pakistan, a better Pakistan movement by the help of Prime Minister Imran Khan vision, and his mission is reflecting by his hard work, and it is a very essential that for our nation. So we and from India and Pakistan relation must be there, and also that raise the Kashmir issue was also there. To sanction Pakistan is not a good choice, and it is a worst choice for all the world globally. It need to be understand. OIC can understand to increase the business, to increase the industry level in Pakistan, to give jobs to the Pakistani people, so there Pakistani people will not go towards wrong side, to not do fake things, do not do evil acts, because it become a very negative as the economy is crashing down, and they need to stabilize the economy, need to increase employment and jobs. It is very important, and Prime Minister Imran Khan need to tackle all the OIC members, and also according to Islamic Brotherhood under Shah Mahmood Qureshi for Foreign Affairs supervision, he have to work on the basis of each and every Pakistani, and along with each and every Afghanistani people, to help them and to give them a better chance and better way to educate their children, to get employed. All the refugees are here in Afghanistan, will be living in Pakistan, will be given back to Afghanistan in a peaceful, in a better mode, so that the Afghani refugees in Pakistan are go peacefully in their country, where there is no fear and there is no injustice and inequality or poverty, which will throw them back towards Pakistan, become the refugees again lives in Pakistan, as already we have facing refugees since Cold War, and after 1989, which after effects was still, that is the Pakistan also become a poor country because of this these wars which happened in South Asia, especially in the western side region of Pakistan. So God bless you all, and Pakistan Zindabad, and OIC Paindabad, love you all, stay blessed, keep shining, and keep uniting Islamic, and spread positivity of Islam, and say no to Islamic phobia, and give Islam is the message of peace and nothing else. Bye, stay blessed, love you all. I welcome you all OIC members in Pakistan.